You want your brownie? It's a big piece, honey.
Bite it, sis.
She doesn't understand.
Just give her the whole thing. That's the same size as everything else.
Is that good?
Do we like brownies, sis?
Look at Dree. Dree, do we like brownies? look at Lexi.
Lexi,
Do we like
them too? Are you guys having a dance off? A brownie dance off? Can you dance? Yeah.
Lex, do we like
Lexi.
brownies? Lexi. Lexi. Hey. Do we like brownies? Are brownies good? Are you even getting her?
I am. Oh, sweetie, eat that. Get that all the way in your mouth.
Say, Dree, say brownie, brownie.
What's that? Look at me. You gotta look at me and ask. Look at Daddy and ask.
Say it one more time.
What do you say? You gotta look at me.
Say it one more time. Look at Daddy. Say more brownie.
More brownie.
What do you say, please?
Be.
Okay. How about you?
You want more brownies?
Would you like some more brownies? You want some more brownies? Lexi, do you want more brownies? You do? Okay.
Stop.